Okay, we're doing the Toyota Tundra 2021, four-cylinder, wheel bearing and wheel hub. The bolts is hidden in the inside. It's screw off. They screw off. The new part, which is come with the bolts. And then you got your regular pins to remove the brake pads, and the brake caliber is a 17 millimeter, and these bolts is 11/16. Quick tutorial. They not press on. They screw outs, and the screws come with the new assembly. Change the brakes while you're down there. Don't work too hard. Save the customer time and money. Get it over with. 448 Big Trail Autos. You dig?